Hi there. It's been a while. I wanted to make this video, but it was taking some time. So sorry about that. Here's the video about how my PMP workshop works. This is a very scientific course developed over a period of time. I've been a PMP coach from 2016, and I've developed it for all of you with all the inputs which I could gather, and I have had a lot of students which I've taught. This is a foolproof, scientific, and neatly designed, barely minimum things which you need to read so that you can pass the PMP exam. It goes through three basic things for any course, for any certification, for any test. You have to understand the concept. That's the first thing. Then you need to revise those concepts, because these concepts which you understood goes in your short-term memory. They have to come in your long-term memory to get retained in your brain. The third thing is simulate. The PMP exam is 180 questions in 4 hours, and a lot of executive can't sit for 4 hours together in a stretch. We can't do 180 scenario within 1 minute. E- Each scenario in 1 minute, or maybe four scenarios in 10 minutes. We can't do that. So you need to simulate the environment before you get in the actual exam. Every step is scientifically designed to help you pass. Let's do a quick understanding of how each and everything gonna go till you pass. I will explain them later in the detail as well. The moment you register on the website for a PMP class, the classes are published in advance. There is 1 year calendar which I have published. Um, so go ahead and choose your workshop. Um, the moment you're gonna register for the workshop, we would have Bridge to PMP available to you. This course help you prepare for the upcoming workshop. You would have access to, it'll start with something called baseline assessment test. The idea is not to test you, the idea is to help you understand what kind of questions gonna come in the exam. The questions, when you do them, you gonna realize that I know a lot of things, but I don't know technical words around them, and you become aware of the concept. I've seen people when they come in the class and the same question which they could not do in the baseline, the same topic comes in, the ears and eyes are bright lit, and you give a lot of attention to those topics. So do those, don't skip the baseline assessment test. And there are certain more things which I'm going to talk about. It's going to take somewhere around 2 to 5 days based on your reading and working speed. Then the live workshop going to start on the predefined date. This is something which you get access to the moment you're going to register. The live workshops are dated, they are fixed. So ensure that your calendars are available, you are available on those dates and time. Be a part of live workshop. I'm going to talk about what we do in the live workshop. This thing, the live workshop, is for understanding the concept. We discuss, we understand. Revise is the second step which I talked about. We revise the concept. There is a tool available. There is a course which I have made. So we revise, we simulate. There are tools available which I'm gonna give you access to, and then you're gonna pass the PMP exam. The PMP application, filing PMP application, is part of this journey. We'll talk about that. So Bridge to PMP is your pre-read, do baseline assessment test. There are certain homework which you need to do. Please do that homework, because if you don't do that homework, your baseline is not completed. So it will take for you 2 to 3 days. It will help you understand the way I teach. It will help you understand being part of that class. There are basic concepts like what is EF, what is OPAs, what is your boss do, what is his name or his designation, what kind of organization do you live in. So if you know all of those concepts, it becomes very easy for you to be part of the class. These are fundamental concepts which you should know before you come in the class. So it will help everyone in the class to be at the same page. Before the class, you're gonna receive an email, a calendar invite, an email, Zoom details from me. If you don't get it, it might be that it has gone under spam. So check your spam folder and ensure that you have your calendars scheduled. We live in different part of the world. So you might have, I've seen people, they might have a different notion of what is 7:30 of India time. So please ensure the calendar invite you do get. If you do not get it, please write to me. I'll resend that again. And block your calendar, do a conversion of the date and time to your local time. And you would also receive the Zoom details 2-3 days before the class. So don't worry if you don't get, if you have enrolled earlier, don't worry if you don't get any intimation, but you'll get all the details before the class for sure. If not, ping me and I should be there. Complete your homework, complete baseline assessment test. That is very, very important before you come in the class. In the class, we learn by doing things together. You get access to something called 35 PDU course, PMP course. This is the second course which you get access to. Now it is hosted at lms.kavitasharma.net, and I would be able to see all your progress. So I am part of your studies. I understand what you are doing. We meet for 4 weekends, Saturdays and Sundays, and the class goes for 3.5 to 4.5 hours based on the discussion, based on the number of people in the class. We can wind up early or we may wind up slightly late, but that's the normal time frame we're gonna meet. You get your calendar invite, as I told you, you will have those invites. In the class, slightly different class, you won't I've been part of the class wherein there are teachers who talk for 1 hour together, and my mind goes haywire because it cannot concentrate on the discussion on that topic. One person speaking for and slides going on for 1 hour. So the course is designed in such a way that it's only 10 to 15 minutes I would talk. So you would concentrate, you would listen to me for 10 to 15 minutes. Then we're going to do let's play. These are the quizzes which would affirm the topic which you have just learned. And once you get the responses, once you feed in those topic answers, your brain get that boost of dopamine, you get affirmation, and your brain says, yes, I've got this. You would love being part of the class. You feel that study PMP is easy. And we're gonna have a lot of case studies as well, wherein all of you gonna work together, discuss, and then present the details to me. That way you apply the concept which you have learned in the class. So this is how the class is gonna happen. Another thing which I use in the class is something called keywords. Keywords is a way of something called concise learning. We learn by looking at certain keywords. We understand that concept. If we know that keyword is part of that scenario, you know what is the answer. I will elaborate on this when we are part of the class. A lot of my students have come back after passing the exam, and the one thing which they say to me is keyword helped them a lot in the PMP exam, because there is no time, absolutely lot of pressure, a lot of stress, and you don't have much time to read the question and give the answer. So the moment you know the keyword in the answers and questions, you can answer beautifully. So keyword has helped a lot of my students. The PMP application is one of the main core key problem pain point for people, and they have this anxiety. Am I eligible? What do I write in my project description, and so on. I would help you get that right. We have another course, third course now, which is just 10 to 15 minutes of course, which will help you navigate the PMI portal. It will help you what do you feed where. There's an Excel which I provide with templates so that you can write your page, your project description in certain way. And then there's an AI prompt which will help you get your project description right. If you don't get it, still, if you don't feel that this is correct, you can send it to me. I would review that and you would get it absolutely 100% right. So don't worry, PMP application is taken care of. The whole process, once again, we would understand the concept. This is done in my PMP workshop, those 4 weekends which you are part of me. The next thing which I'm gonna do is help you revise the concept. What does revise do? Whatever we have learned here, you're gonna go back, revise that. You would read, my book, or you would read PMI's notes, PMI's PDF, and then you would do questions every day, certain questions which would revise the entire concept for you. The questions are written in such a way that they would not leave any room for you to bluff. You need to have a lot of, even one word in the question here and there going to give a different answer. So you need to be absolutely clear on your concept, which we do in the understand part of the workshop. So you would come revise. If there are certain things which you think is not getting correct, go back to my lectures in the LMS, read that, and do the device test again. The last part of the PMP test prep is simulate 5 full-length questions, and you would get to know, your body would sit for 4 hours, your mind would do 180 questions in 4 hours, and we would simulate the entire PMP environment. So you would simulate, and once you start getting 75% and above, then only we would schedule your PMP exam. That's how the entire process is. Each of them are mapped. There is courses in LMS for this, course in LMS for this, and course in LMS for this. So everything is predetermined, pre-designed for you to pass. The test prep kit is something which I told you is part of revise and simulate. It has question wise set, it has 5 full-length simulation test, it has PMI's agile and hybrid question. So you would not feel that I am not from agile background, where do I get questions from? These are separate from device questions. So you would get some extra questions for you to work on, and this kit keeps on getting updated. Now there are scenario questions, so you would have scenario questions which are part of the device questions and full-length questions as well. You would have access to this kit for 3 months, because it is expected that from the end of my workshop, you should be able to take somewhere around 21 days to 30 days to pass the PMP exam. I will give you the plan, device plan that is built in the LMS test prep kit for you to pass the exam within 21 days. You are never left on your own. I'm available after the workshop. You are, if you see, after the workshop, what all are you doing? You are revising, you are doing questions from the test prep kit. So if you get stuck with a question, and normally my student gets stuck with a question saying that this is the answer and this should not be the answer which is there in the LMS. So don't ping me on the WhatsApp. What you need to do is take a screenshot of that question, put your rationale to the answer, put that in the Word file, give at least whatever you are working on, 10 questions or 15 questions, put them and send it to me over email. I will respond within 24 hours and sometimes maybe earlier than that. So you are never on your own. There are LinkedIn groups, WhatsApp group, you are part of those group. You can always reach out to me. I'm always available. So don't worry, you will pass once you follow the plan. It's 100% pass. Everybody who has gone through the the workshop with me. Even people who have passed, people who have done, um, people who have read my book have passed. People who have just access to the test prep kit has passed. I have had people in my workshop who have failed twice. They came in my workshop and passed. Their friends who failed came in my workshop, passed. So you will pass your exam. Don't worry on that. You just have to have focus, follow the plan, follow what I say. If you have any question, you can write to me at kavitash@gmail. You can also click on that WhatsApp button on the website and ask any question. You can enroll now for the workshop and start with Bridge to PMP today. If you have uh, if you have already done your PMP preparation and you just looking for test prep kit, you can get that. I wish you all the best for your PMP preparation. Let me know if you have any question on anything and I will help you. Have a very nice day. Bye bye.